一伙年轻人正挑战坐魔鬼过山车，其中一名不知死活的小伙竟
चुपके से कैमरा निकालकर फोटो लेने लगता है, लेकिन उसे नहीं पता कि यह छोटा सा कैमरा पूरे कोच को।
Hi everyone and welcome. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate Chinese movies explained into Indian languages and upload them to YouTube. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. You'll need one tool, HitPaw Edimakor. If you don't have it yet, I've left the download link in the description below. Step 2. Translate Movie Explain. After importing your video onto the timeline, click Video Translator under Subtitles. There are over 130 languages to choose from. For this tutorial, I'll go with Hindi. In the Style section, choose your favorite subtitle design. Then, turn on the Dubbing the Video button. Here you'll find countless dubbing voices to choose from. And if you want to translate using your own voice, you can also use the voice cloning feature. Once everything's ready, click Auto Subtitling. Edimakor will instantly translate and dub your video all in one step. Okay, you can see the subtitles are generated in both Chinese and Hindi. If you don't want the Chinese subtitles, just click the eye icon to hide them. If the original video already has subtitles, you can adjust the subtitle format to cover them, or use the watermark remover to clean them up. Now, our video is half ready. All we need to do is mute the original voice track and add a background music.
कॉस्टर का बिजली प्रणाली शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया। सभी सुरक्षा बेल्ट खुल गए, लेकिन कॉस्टर ने भारी गति के कारण फिर भी गति जारी रखी।
And that's it. You've successfully dubbed a Chinese movie explanation video into Hindi. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.